Hello sweet cupies and welcome to my YouTube channel Knowing an Angel. Oh my god. Oh my god, beautiful. So today I am super excited because I'm gonna be playing with a collection that came out not too long ago from Colourpop, and guess nothing but a collection from Becky G. Oh my god, it's the Becky G X Colourpop collection, and I am super excited because let me tell you, the design and the colors and everything look literally amazing. So I can't wait to show you the swatches, the colors, the look. So stay tuned, honey, and Knowing an Angel. So this is the beautiful palette Salvaje, and look at the design, it's so beautiful, I love it. This is the Super Chuck Charos, ultra metallic, and oh my god, they were amazing. I can't wait to keep playing with those. They were straight up beautiful and popping. Now this is the Look lipsticks. I don't know if I'm saying it right or not, but oh my god, talk about red, honey, talk about red. Now this is the Viva Ultra Glossy Lip Vandal. This is a Luster Dust Loose Powder Highlighters, and oh my god, they were so beautiful. Now this is the colors of the palette, and oh my god, look at those colors. They were so creamy, so beautiful. Ooh, look at these ones. Oh! Talk about glassy, honey, glassy. Super gorgeous. Ooh, look at those reds though, I love it. This is the loose highlighter powders, so beautiful. So now I'm gonna start putting a little bit of that Luna. I loved it, I used that as my base. And you know what, the colors were so nice, cute and easy to apply. Then I put some of the Sirena right in the corner of my cute eye. Oh my god. Ooh. Now I'm putting a little bit of the Malbec. Ooh, it was kind of like a little cute wine color, super cute. Now I'm going for Sangria. Ooh, talk about Sangria, honey. Now un poquito de cafecito, a little bit of cafecito. Oh my god, I love that brand, it was so gorgeous. Ooh, look at that poppin'. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that Super Chuck Chatter, and oh my god, look at that. And I believe that was the color Verano. Now I'm gonna use my Tar eyeliner. Oh my god, one of my favorite liners, by the way. Ooh, look at that, honey. Poppin'! Once again, using my eyeliner from Colourpop, my lip pencils. A little bit of the cute highlighter, thank you, and my brow bone. Oh! Now I'm gonna use my cute lashes, honey, cause remember, that's the dress of any eyeshadow. Now we're gonna do our cute, nice foundation. Thank you. Oh my god. I've been loving this one big time, super cute. Ooh, Diva! Now applying a little bit of loose powder. Thank you, aka translucent powder. Now we're gonna do our contour. Oh my god. I swear to me that I'm doing contour, but I know probably I'm doing totally wrong, but I still love it. Thank you. Now we're gonna use a little bit of our blush from Wonder Beauty 3 for 2 Blush and Bronzer Duo. Now I'm gonna go again with the highlighter. Ooh, now I'm using my lip pencil from Colourpop, my favorites. Now we're gonna use the cute lip glasses from Becky G Colourpop collection. Loves it. And now this is the beautiful Aster. Alright, beautifuls, and just like that, I'm finally done with this look, and let me tell you, oh my god, I'm like super impressed. That palette was like amazing. It was very creamy, very beautiful, like wow. I love it. The lip gloss worked amazing. That was super cute, look at that. Ooh. Talk about Diva! Or more like Becky G, Angel G. Oh my god, love it. Honestly, that was a very fun collection to play with. I cannot wait to even keep playing with the palette even more because I had so much fun with it. Like the shadow chucks, like these colors over here. Oh my god, they were so beautiful. Look at that. Ooh. Thank you so much for watching. I was so happy that I got to do this video, got to play with Colourpop, with the Becky G collection. You can get it. I definitely recommend you to get it. It's totally, definitely Angel approved. I'm just kidding, oh my god. Yeah, I love it. It was super cute. Well, I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. And if you have any suggestions, any looks you want to see, please let me know. Mwah.